This is another question from logical reasoning. Complete the truth table. That is, we have to provide answer here for this cell, this cell, and this cell. We have to provide the answer, either true or false. And this is the topic. This is a question from logical reasoning. Or some people call it logic. And from this cell, now you have this. This is called P conjunction Q, right? Then the other one here is called P disjunction Q. This sign is a sign of what? Conjunction. This sign is a sign of disjunction. This sign, the symbol is conjunction, which is and. This one, disjunction, which is or, as OR. This one is hand. This is what? Hand. This is and, conjunction. This is or, that is OR. So, and before you can complete this table, you don't just put TF, right? You must know the rules guiding conjunction and disjunction, right? You must know the what? The rule guiding conjunction and disjunction. Don't forget we have conjunction, disjunction, conditional, which is also known as implication, and we have biconditional. But the one that we are trying to complete here is conjunction and what? Disjunction. The rules of conjunction state that P conjunction Q is true. Can only be true. That's the condition. Can only be true when both P and what? And Q are what? Are true. That is, for you to have true here, both P and Q must be true. If you have true here, you have false here, your answer will be false. That's what it means. For P disjunction Q, it means that P disjunction Q is false. Is false. Right? When both P and what? And Q are what? Are false. That's the only condition. The only condition that you can have this to be false, right, is when P and Q are false. Then your answer will be false. Right? But when one is true and the other one is false, your answer will be true. That's the condition. So let us now fill the missing cell. You have P and you have Q. You have T and T. True, true. Right? The proposition, which is also known as statement, can only be true or what? Or false. For instance, if I say Lagos is a state in Nigeria, right? Which is true, right? I can also say that Lagos is not a state in Nigeria, which is false. So, in statement, is either it is true or what? Or false. That's why you are saying T and F. Now, P is true here, Q is true here. You now come here to fill this cell now. You now come here, P conjunction Q says that it can only be true when both P and Q are true. So our answer here will what? True or false? Our answer will what? Our answer will what? True. That's the answer for this cell. Okay? Now, for this one again, it also says that this is under conjunction as well. We are still with conjunction here. When P is false, Q is what? True. Our answer will be what? Don't forget to use that. It can only be true when both P and Q are what? Are true. So our answer here is what? False. Okay? Now let's move to disjunction. It says that it can only be false when both P and Q are what? Are false. It means that the only condition that can make me to write false here is when I have P as false and Q as false, respectively. Right? So my answer here will be what? Will be true. Because I have T here, I have A, both are not false. Right? Now the last one, which is, it can only be false as well when P is false and Q is also what? Also false. So my answer here is what? My answer here is what? My answer is what? True. Because I'm having P as what? As false, and I'm having Q as true. So my answer is what? True. So that is how to answer a question like this. You must know the rule guiding conjunction, you must know the rule guiding disjunction, you must know the rule guiding conditional or implication, if then, right? You must know the rule guiding biconditional, if and only if, conjunction and disjunction, or by conditional or implication, if then, right? Then biconditional, if and only if. You must know the rule guiding the what? The logical reasoning, right? Even the negation, right? Lagos is a state in Nigeria. To negate that statement, Lagos is not a state in Nigeria. So this is how to answer the question like this. Thank you very much.